Welcome to today's IT product review video. In this video, we will be taking a look at the WCAV 68 mechanical keyboard. With its minimalist design and advanced features, this keyboard is perfect for digital workers, especially programmers and content creators. Let's dive in and check out what makes this keyboard so special. The WCAV WK68 is a mechanical keyboard designed for high productivity tasks. It features 3 connection modes: Bluetooth 2.0 for wireless dongle and wired, providing great flexibility in usage. This keyboard is aimed at programmers, gamers, and content creators, offering ultimate comfort for long hours of typing. It utilizes hot swappable PCB technology, allowing you to change switch without soldering, and features gasket mounting to improve typing feel, make it softer and more comfortable. Let's break down what makes the WCAV WK68 truly stand out. First, it uses rough linear switch factory loop and built for long-lasting performance with satisfying talkie sound. The switches are smooth, quiet, and ideal for fast, accurate typing. It includes 5 layers of dampening foam, which help absorb noise and vibration, producing a deeper and fuller sound that doesn't echo in the plastic case. This keyboard also filters cherry profile keycaps, which provide a comfortable angle for long sessions of typing. The RGB lighting is a big highlight, not just under the key, but also along the side of the case. You can adjust the color modes, brightness, and speed, giving it a personal and stylish appearance. There is even a metal knob for volume control, which adds functionality and aesthetic at the same time. It will large 40 mAh battery. You'll get excellent battery life even with RGB turned on. Now that we have discussed the keyboard's design and switch features, let's hear how it actually sounds. This is a typing sound test of the WCAV WK68 with rock linear switch and a full gasket mount structure. As you can hear, the typing sound is soft yet satisfying, often described as a talkie, thanks to gasket mount and 5 layers of sound dampening. The overall acoustic are deep, clean, and efficient for both personal and professional use. In terms of innovation, WCAV WK68 brings premium features usually found in more expensive keyboards. Combining gasket mount technology, hot swap compatibility, and ambient RGB underglow, this keyboard provides a balance between style and performance. For feature development, adding software support for advanced customization will make it even better, because this keyboard not include VIA and QMK, just software usually. But as it is now, the WK68 already delivers a very complete experience. The WCAV WK68 isn't just a tool, it represents a shift in how we work and interact with technology. Socially, it supports the remote working era. Programmers, content creators, and tech workers can work more comfortably, efficiently, and in style. Economically, it offers high-end features at a mid-range price, making advanced mechanical keyboard more accessible to students and professionals. Culturally, it reflects the growing popularity of custom keyboard, where sound, design, and user experience are deeply appreciated. And most importantly, for a programmer, a good keyboard is more than a device. It is productivity company. The Weka VK68 help reduce fatigue, increase accuracy, and even make coding more enjoyable. In conclusion, the Weka VK68 is top-tier keyboard with great build quality, excellent features, and strong usability. Whether you are coding, editing, or just enjoying your setup, this keyboard is smart investment. I highly recommend it to anyone who values comfort, sound, and function. The conclusion of review of the Weka VK68 mechanical keyboard, I hope this presentation has provided a clear understanding of its feature, functionality, and potential impact. Thank you for watching and taking the time to learn more about this innovation IT product. Thank you.